Howdy guys, my name is Stan, I'm your bartender for tonight, and this night we're making the Mai Tai. Now the Mai Tai is one of the most popular tiki cocktails. It was invented in the early 20th century by Trader Vic at his restaurant in California, but right around the same time that Don the Beachcomber claimed that he invented it. Now there was a dispute over it. Most people believe Trader Vic invented it, but we don't know for sure. It is usually made nowadays with a lot of pineapple juice and orange juice, but we'll have none of that. We're going just with the rum. So let's make it. It's a shaking cocktail, so we're gonna shake it. We're gonna start off with 60 milliliters of dark Jamaican rum. It has some nice funky banana notes. It's a really full-bodied rum. We're using Appleton Estate. So we're gonna need 20 milliliters of lime juice. Ooh, this was a really juicy one. That's 20 mils. Next up is our tiki staple, the orgeat syrup. 15 milliliters of that stuff. And last but not least, a little bit, 10 milliliters of either triple sec or dry curacao. I like triple sec because it's a bit sweeter than a dry curacao. 10 milliliters of that stuff. And then it's tiki wiki shaky time. Fill it up. And shake this. We're gonna serve this in this super cute elephant mug. First, we're gonna strain it. Afterwards, we'll add crushed ice just to fill it up. All right. Now for the garnish, we're gonna do a little mint sprig. Get a nice and fresh one. All right. Give a little slap, a little crush, and put it in. And to finish it up, let's do a little lime wheel. All right. Finish it up with your small straws right next to the mint. And you're done. That's your Mai Tai. Let's taste it. It's very refreshing. It's got the lime. It's got a little bit of sweetness from the orgeat and the Cointreau, and a lot of character from the dark rum. It's a great cocktail. I like it. It gets my approval. It gets the approval. I love this stuff. I want to thank you all so much for watching. It's been a pleasure being a bartender tonight. If you like this video, please leave a like. And if you just want to support us, please subscribe. And you can follow me on Instagram @StanTheBartender. Peace.